Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix some website or some page not opening or not loading problem in your Windows 10 or 11 in any browser. So let's begin our video. So first of all you have to do, just open your search option and then you just need to type control panel, then open it. So after open, sometimes it's selected category. You just need to select large icon. Right now you can find the option internet options, select it. So after select this, you just need to go on connections. Right now select LAN settings. Right now unmark it and mark automatic detect settings and then select OK. After that you just need to select advanced option. Under this advanced section you just need to select restore advanced setting, just click it. After that OK, and then you just need to let's back. Right now open your browser and refresh this page. Here you can see right now it's perfectly working. So in this way you can solve your problem. Site cannot be reached or not loading problem, you can solve it very easily. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.